meet I say baby perfect. Ah, yeah, mommy, your daughter. And mommy,
love you.
Now you know Nancy. The bad doctor. You know, some worry doctor. There's a mommy is your doctor. You say a friend doctor. Doctor. Estabuachi dear. We love you so much. Okay.
We love you.
You're done too much. And thank you, Doc. Have you been to a moment?
You will be the first child of Mama Esther because he loves you too much. And if you want, let us say yes, so yes to us.
But it's Mama Esther, me no penny.
Let me put it like she's more like a spiritual mother. She's someone who loves people a lot, no matter your status in life. So she's a mother to all. So love her so much. God bless you.
Mommy, we love you, okay? Bye-bye.